What is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video.
Yeah, having a little bit of confession at what it do. Yeah, they know I'ma go to the booth, I got nothing to prove. Yeah, I go off top of the dome, this shit nothing new. Yeah, I show her these diamonds, she got in the groove. Yeah.
Today, I am not sitting down. I'm actually standing up because I'm gonna give y'all an eyebrow tutorial, which y'all have been requesting, so I'm gonna do it for y'all. And also, in my last video, I had a ring light that I told y'all I did not need, so I've decided that I'm gonna do a giveaway. To enter the giveaway, first of all, you need to follow me on Instagram. You need to be subscribed to my YouTube. So those two, as long as you follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube, and then hit my DM, like show proof of my DM. And my Instagram is linked below, so y'all can go do that. Show proof of my DM, and I'll write your name down, and you will be officially entered when you do that. So basically, follow my Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube, show proof in my DM, and I will check you off. And I'll be picking at random. I'll put it in the system. I'll be picking at random, and then we'll go from there, and I'll DM that person of what to do, send me the address and all that. So yeah, but then that let's just get into the tutorial. Usually what I use for my eyebrows, I use Morphe concealer. The pomade, the eyebrow pomade I use is Tame and Frame NYX, whatever, NYX, whatever. It's not expensive, it's inexpensive. It's in color espresso because my eyebrows are dark. Yeah. This is just, I only use a spoolie on this. I used to use this to do my eyebrows. It's the Anastasia brow wiz, but I don't use this anymore. I just use the spoolie that comes with it. And I just have two brushes I use, one for my concealer and one to, it's just, this I use for my concealer, and this is what I use for, you know, as you can see, it's like an edge type of tip. I feel like a makeup person. And then I use beauty blenders, whatever it's called. So. Okay, that will conclude the tutorial. As you can see, I like my eyebrows to look natural. I don't like it to look like fake or nothing, so I don't be doing too much. But Yeah, but anything that like I need to be darker or that I need to touch up, I usually use my brow wiz that I was showing y'all. I use this to touch anything up, and it really does work really good. And yeah, that's all I really do for my eyebrows. My eyebrows look okay because I need them done. I really hope y'all enjoyed the tutorial. It's kind of a beginner's tutorial, so I hope it helps y'all. But please like, comment, subscribe, follow my social medias, enter the giveaway for this ring light right here. It's a brand new ring light. It's a I don't know how big it is. It's not that big. It's not like big, but it's like good to start out with. So I totally recommend y'all entering to win, and I hope that y'all enjoy this video once again, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next.
I'm a big dog off the leash. Now I can step on my pivot. Pop my ain't boots on my feet. Diamond they hit like I leave. These niggas frost on the leaf. Soon as they hop up and leak.